Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighter are in currently battle with Nigeria Army as we are speaking right now. This information coming from Simon Ekpa, the PM of Biafra government in exile. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, no wait till the wait to may you go subscribe immediately and also turn your notification bell for a quick update as it dey hot. No be small thing, no. Let's jump into the ogbonge news we will get for hand today. They say one Biafra Liberation Army don't send message give Nigeria government to deploy more of their soldiers. Come say they ready for them because they can't stand what is coming. But what is happening now? Let's go and read that what Simon Ekpa leaving airspace this particular morning. He say breaking the Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra resistance fighter are currently in a battle with the Nigeria terrorist army who only have power where innocent Biafra women and children are, but can't stand and face Biafra force. This is happening now as we are speaking. Things are really happening. Let's also go and bring up a video of this Biafra Liberation Army telling Nigeria media to start reporting how many of their soldiers that have been dying in battlefield. That is very, very important. And they should also employ more people and also send to their battlefield because they are ready to face them. Let's show you the video where he's talking this thing, and when we come back we'll continue.
Tell Nigerian media to carry the news. We will force all of them to carry the news that this army of Biafra, the Liberation Army of Biafra and the Resistance Army of Biafra, Nigeria cannot match them. And Nigeria will never match them. And then also encourage them to deploy more soldiers to the land of Biafra, because the land of Biafra will swallow all of them. We are just starting the movement. We are on gear 1 now. As long as this vehicle have begun to move, there should be no stopping. And there should never be reverse. There is nothing like U-turn. Forward ever. Forward ever. Forward ever. Our destination is defined. Biafra or Biafra. Our destination is clearly defined. Biafra or Biafra. If you think you can stop us, come and try. Then you will know what we are make off of. Thank you very much. I want you to know that Chukwu Okike Abiama have been answering your prayer. I want you to know that every single prayer you pray for this heavenly army of Chukwu Okike Abiama, this holy man on the ground that Chukwu Okike Abiama do answer. He hear you and he always answer you. I will encourage you to keep on praying for them. Don't forget to always light white candle, praying for God to keep guiding and protect them. Red candle, praying that Chukwu Okike Abiama and all the fallen spirit will arise and destroy those that kill them. And we assure you and promise you that the reason and the purpose in which your brother, your sister, your auntie, your mother, your father, your uncle, your friends and your relatives die will never be in vain. That the Biafra they die for, it is Biafra they will have. Nothing the war can do. Nothing anybody can do to stop us. Thank you very much for always watching our back. Thank you very much for those who are always giving us information whenever these idiotic people make a move. Chukwu Kikabiama will keep protecting you people as we are on the ground to protect the land. I want to thank each and every one of you that are sharing this my page and following me. It is indeed I'm so enlightened to have you. I'm always happy. I took time to read your comments and it gives me more joy and strength and more courage to keep on fighting. Our life is useless without Biafra, and our life is nothing without Biafra. And that is the reason we keep marching on. No matter how difficult it is, we believe that there is nothing good come easy. Yes, that at the end of this difficulty, we will all smile once again, and we will smile forever. And that is why we choose to pass through the flame of fire, no matter what is to come. Believe you me, that the coming day will be hotter than the previous day. So my brother and my sister, my friends, fasten your seatbelt because this vehicle have already begun the movement. This vehicle have already begun the movement. Do not take anything for granted. Also be vigilant and be watchful wherever you are. Because the terrorists in our land knew very well that men on ground are greater than them. So in order for them to satisfy their selfish and their evil heart, they always turn against the civilian. But I also assure you that in a very less time and lesser week to come, you will see them no more in the land of Biafra. It is a promise because men are coming out in full force. At this very point, permit me to salute all of you that have been doing wonderfully well to watch over our back. Those of you who cannot forget the sacrifice that Nnamdi Kanu sacrificed for all of us. Those of you who have been contributing from one way to another to ensure that this struggle keep moving. Those of you that have been praying for us. I thank you so very much. And may Chukwu Kikabiama continue to bless you and keep you safe from the terrorists in our land. At this very moment, permit me to salute my fellow congregants. Wherever you people are, may Chukwu Kikabiama keep protecting and guide you. All bullet, all bullet na water in your body. No bomb shall explode for wherever you are. Every bomb na blow, or blow no they kill. The owner of the land know themselves. This land is the portion whom Chukwu Kikabiama give to our forefather. our ancestors that hand over to our great-grandfather, that hand over to our father, that hand over to us. In this very land of Biafra, we must hand over it to our children and our children unborn. Without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba, without the presence of Britain in it. And our children will enjoy the fullness of this land of Biafra, the land of rising sun in peace. God bless Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Simon Ekpa, the good guy, our great Prime Minister. And God bless all the ESM and BLA and BLF. God bless each and every one of you that wish Biafra good. And at the end, above all, God bless Biafra. This land of the rising sun, our possession, our portion, and our land, whom Chukwu Kikabiama give to our ancestors. We, the children, say, we go nowhere. And nobody can remove us even an inch from this land. From your brother in the battlefield,
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and listen for everything we talk for this particular video, the information where Simon Ekpa they give us this morning, I be say the battle is going on this morning, and we are going to bring you more updates later in the day if any video show up regarding the battle. So this is the information that we are getting now, and that is why we ask you to turn your notification bell so that you go to get our updates back to back, and you don't hear waiting this Biafra Liberation Army talk. So the question we want to ask you, waiting be your opinion, may you leave them for comment section. Now as we do am, and don't forget to share this video, very important. Some videos, remember say we they talk too much concern, but some will bring them as an update. And may will leave you, may you contribute put regarding this video. So tell us waiting be your own opinion for inside this video where you don't watch now.